Hello world! Finding real connection is becoming more difficult. People are struggling to know who they can trust and who will be there for tribe of the feelings and chemicals in our body that are released from feeling close, vulnerable and safe with someone, and we want our conversation and time with someone to mean something. We long for a deep and secure connection of love and trust. It's hard to carry all of our thoughts, feelings, and struggles around without having someone to share them. And we have an instinctual and strong desire for reassurance and validation, and you can't get that from shallow relationship. We want a best friend that we can share everything meaningful in our life with, that looks forward to talking to us as much as we look forward to talking to them. It's much rather have one great person to talk to every night than have several pointless conversations with temporary people. By Joel Clemons. On a story she said, "Hi there, meow, come here. Come here, little one. Come here, sweetie. Come to me. P.S. ASMR number 2.
Cześć. Miau. Miau, miau, miau. Ma? O. Miau. Mama? Chodź. Chodź, maluszku. Chodź, misiu. Chodź. ASMR numer 2.
On the post of Anna, she captioned it with, "Thank you for having me, my beloved Marking fam. Collection Fall Winter 2025 is absolutely top. Can't wait to wear this color so soon. You're always the best choice. With love, Ama." This Berlin Fashion Show 2025 under the theme A Parallel Universe, we unveil the Fall-Winter 2025 collection on the evening of 31 of January 2025. They masterfully play with contrast. The show explored the merging of the real and virtual worlds, blending the familiar with the visionary and inviting guests to discover new perspectives. Classic shapes were reimagined with unexpected details, combining bold silhouettes, striking accessories, daring trends, and wearable elegance with exquisite craftsmanship. Spectacular highlights of the show was the high-resolution LED installations created an immersive atmosphere where reality and fantasy seamlessly intertwined. With its impressive production, we set new standard in the fusion of fashion and technology. On this post of Anna, she captioned it with, "I recently had a chance to get to know Neboa Natural, vegan hair cosmetic brand Neboa.pl, and this beautiful packaging design and insane scent. I love them. You can find Neboa Cosmetic for hair and scalp care in Roseman Drugs from today until February 17 in a promotion of 2 plus 1 free. Which of you will be tempted?" Great to hear it! That coming soon, Simone movie will be on Netflix. Oh, what movie it will gonna be? Look how Simone do his sun kiss when in Madrid.
Lo sai che ti sto facendo il video, no?
Good and good to see Michele's billboard hanging on the building. As you are crossing and walking on the street, you can look on him and mesmerized by his beauty. On the new campaign ad of Hell Energy Drink, it captioned with, "You see it, and you just know you have met before. No doubt about it. You go after it, nothing can stop you when it comes to Hell Energy Drink until you realize for them it was always about the Hell Drink. One thing for sure, a hell drink is always a good excuse to meet again.
Kelly, what's your next movie about?
Oh yeah, my new film. It's all about this this man who's
What's your next character?
a new character. It's
The pressures on the clock is tickling. Grab your hell energy drink and stay in the game. Remember, hell energy drink connect us all. When I watched this campaign ad, I can relate to si Michele in real life as who he was. Do you also relate, guys, for what I have been thinking? Let's also grab our hell energy drink. It's filming time of Michele of his movie, The Housemaid. Keep it up, Michele! When Michele do some roaming around the area of New York, many want to take a photo of with him, and he take time to take photo with them. Michele, who is you waiting there? Look on this video of Michele when he go out to go to a certain boutique. Look closely, guys, and observe carefully and tell to us what you observe. Some of the fan pages observe on the video and I observed too. Who is this lady? Who is this girl? Is she with Michele? That is the big question that we will gonna find out. Marcus is really a lookalike of Pruba and Brando a lookalike of Michele when it comes to their physical appearance. And happy to see how happy their bonding time as mother and son. They are at Cormio in a town and commune in northern Italy in the autonomous region of Aosta Valley. It became a popular tourist destination when alpinists arose thanks to its proximity to Mont Blanc. The Mont Blanc Tunnel connecting Cormio with Chamonix opened in 1965 and provides an important road link between Italy and France. Cormio also shapes access to the glacial ski run of the Valley Blanche, with another French town Chamonix which sits at the opposite northern side of the Mont Blanc Massif. Hey, this is it? Yes, Simple Favor 2 movie will be on May 1. Let's not all forget it. We should all watch it. Let's all listen to this incredible announcement of Michele.
Good morning. I'm incredibly excited to announce that my new film, A Simple Favor 2, is about to come out and is going to open, the South by Southwest Film Festival on March 7th. So stay tuned because it's going to be an incredible film to watch. And the film is A Simple Favor is about to come out. So thank you very much for your attention and have a great day. Bye.
Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, And please subscribe on my channel, Day 35 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. Without understanding, there is no accurate knowledge, and without knowledge, there is no wisdom. There is only judgment, fear, pain, and suffering. Our mind is afraid of what it doesn't understand because when we are unsure, our mind is not able to predict what will happen, and this creates fear and anxiety for us, which then leads to either avoidance or aggression. This is why people fight and argue, and what is creating the chaotic and nervous energy that we all now live in. To truly understand anyone, we have to be able to look past what seems to be the problem on the surface and the negative emotional reaction to understand what the real need or threat is to a person. Once we understand the needs and fear of someone, we are able to before we become drawn to them by what is similar instead of what is different, and this creates common ground, empathy, and the desire to want to help. The more that we are able to understand others, the greater our passion and desire to help becomes. We will all need understanding and help if we want to survive, connect, and feel safe. By Joel Clemons.